So this is lesson 1 in a series of spreadsheet activities that you can complete to kind of help you upskill so that you're more likely to be attractive to employers so that they look at your skill set and they can see the things that you can do. Now, this is a basic spreadsheet and I'm going to start off by showing you how you can filter, how you can format, how you can do formula. So we're going to start off with some of the basics which are really important. So this is somebody's Christmas list. This is the things that they want for Christmas. And the first thing that you'll see is the columns aren't wide enough. So here's a simple skill. You can just click in between the B and the C. You can double click or you can drag it wherever you want. So you can move it left or right. So that's nice and easy, okay? The other thing that you might want to do is merge the cells. So to do this, you highlight the cells. To highlight, you click on a cell and you drag it, all right? Then you go to merge and center, and that merges those cells. And up the top here, you can color the box in, all right? So that's nice and simple. Now, you've probably noticed here that you've got money as well. Well, the money needs to be in the correct format. Now, what you can do up here is you can choose your currency. So we're going to work with English pounds, nice and easy. Click on it and it will convert everything to pound symbols for you. Now, if you want to add some borders around that, you can highlight the whole lot and drag it all the way down. And up here, which is in the Home tab, you can pick the formatting. So I've gone to all borders there, all right? And also, I'm going to put some borders here as well. And again, I'm going to color these in by going to the paint bucket up here. And that's the basics of that. Now, to do formulas, what you need to do is you start all formulas with the equal symbol, all right? Now, if you go to equals, and we're looking at the highest here, we're wanting to go for the word max, M-A-X, all right? Now, if you open up a bracket, all right, you can click and drag, and you'll notice that it highlights all of those cells for you so that you now have the highest price. Now, if I close those brackets and press enter, I've now got the highest. All right, so that was, if you want to look at that, that was equals max. Now, the other thing you can do is you can go to equals min, which will show you the lowest, okay? So if I highlight, open my bracket, highlight all of those, close my bracket, that is how you find the minimum price. And you can see here, the Minecraft activity book is $5.49. Now, if I want to work out the average, it's equals average. Open up that, highlight all of that, close that, and that is your next one. So you use average to find out the average. It's fairly straightforward. Now, to find out the total, we are going to need to do the sum, all right? So equals SUM, open those and highlight all of that. Close your brackets, and that has now shown you the total. And all you do is you press enter. And if you want to look at your formulas, the formula bar is up here, and this will tell you everything that you need to know. It's a really simple, easy 5-minute lesson, but if you can add cells together, they're great for your budgeting, they're great for if you've got to work out costs. Maybe I'm going to decide that I'm only going to get this person Lego Star Wars, okay, Lego Minecraft, and Transformers. So I might decide that I'm going to do that, and the total of those 3 items, here's another thing you can do, is you can go equals, so where's Lego Star Wars, there, click on the cell, use the plus symbol, click on the next one, click on the plus symbol, click on the next one, and that will add cells together, alright? So that is your basic thing there. Now, I might have a discount card in this shop. So what I could also do is go equals that, and if I multiplied that by 0.1, because that's 10%, that will work out what the discount is. Then I could do the final total equals, click on it, minus to subtract, click on that, and press enter. And that is basically your easy to do addition. So you can use add to add. You can even multiply by 0.1 for 10%, 0.2 for 20%, 0.3 for 30%, and so on. And you have your final total there where I've used the subtraction. So remember some key points from this. All formulas start with equals. Your highest is max, lowest is min, average is average, and your total is sum. And that's a quick lesson just to upskill you a little bit on using spreadsheets. So if you complete this using the example that I've given you, try and follow me and see how you get on with that. That is lesson 1 on formatting and formula.